Good morning. Today is lesson 1 in our chapter 2 matter. Our question for this lesson is, what are some properties of matter? So I hope you're already on page 60, and I want you to put your finger on the red X's and read the statement with me. I will know that I can classify matter by its physical properties. So we're going to have 3 vocabulary words in this chapter or this lesson: matter, property, and thermometer. So our Connect to Math today says scientists measure temperature. They use math to compare temperatures. And these are high temperature in Corpus Christi. We have 27 degrees Celsius on Saturday and 24 degrees Celsius on Monday. It says, how much warmer was Corpus Christi on Saturday? Subtract to find out. So we're gonna work this problem. Yours is done for you, this part. In this yellow box, okay? So see if you can figure that one out. 27 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. If you need help, 7 minus 4 is 3, okay? And then 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't need to write the 0 down. So make sure you put your little degree, the small circle means degrees, and then Celsius. And I'm not sure how much you can see that board, but I'm just trying to help you out there. Okay, and then so you're gonna write your answer right here, and then Saturday was blank degrees Celsius warmer. And so you're gonna write your answer here again. And then we're gonna move on to the quick lab. And I'm just going to do this part with you, and then you'll do the rest of it. Either just read your book, or you can use the online version, which will read it for you. Okay, so our quick lab, we always have a question to answer. So how can you classify matter? And so our materials, we have a marker right here. We have a plastic bag. We have a penny. And we have foil, and we have a pencil. So we are going to look at our items. It says classify the objects as metal or non-metal. So let me see if I can go down just a little bit so you can see that. Okay, sorry. So we're going to put these in metal and non-metal. So what do you think about this one? Metal or non-metal? Okay, let's put that in non-metal on this side. Okay, what about this? Aluminum foil. You're right, that's metal. All right, and we have a marker. Definitely non-metal. We have a penny. Pennies are made of metal. So let's put that on this side. And we have a pencil. Well, there's a little bit of metal on there, but it's mainly made of wood, so we're going to put it in the non-metal. Okay, so it says name something that is metal and flexible. So we're going to look at these 2 items. Which one is metal and flexible? So can we move the penny? No. Can we move the foil? Yes. So this is flexible because it can move. All right, so name a flexible non-metal object. So we're gonna look at these. Can we bend the marker? No. Can we bend the pencil? No. Can we bend the plastic bag? Yes. So here we have the foil. Here we have the plastic bag. And now we're going to talk about Are all metal objects flexible? Well, we have two metal objects here. One is flexible and one is non-flexible. So what do you think? So the answer to this is no. And what is another way to classify the objects? So instead of metal, non-metal, how else can we classify them? Well, maybe we could classify them flexible, non-flexible. So we could move the penny over into a non-flexible group, and then we can move the plastic bag over into the flexible group. So these two things are flexible, and these three things are non-flexible. Okay, so right here we could write flexible and non-flexible, and here are the words. So there's flexible, and then you put non, N-O-N, in front of non-flexible. So another thing, I wanted to go over classify. Remember, classify means to put things into groups. So that's what we did. We put things into groups, and so we can sort things different ways into different types of groups. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow when we do the next Quick Lab. Goodbye.